In this question, you have to match the items in list 1 with those in list 2. Now, cocaine is obtained from Erythroxylum coca, and it acts as a stimulant on the central nervous system, that is the CNS, causing euphoria and increased energy. Thus, A matches with 3. Now, heroin, which is formed by the acetylation of morphine, is obtained or extracted from the plant Papaver somniferum, which is the scientific name for the opium poppy. Thus, B matches with 4. Now, morphine, which is obtained from Papaver somniferum, is widely used for pain relief and as a sedative in surgery. Thus, C matches with 1. And marijuana, which is derived from Cannabis sativa, has a hallucinogenic properties, and it can impact the cardiovascular system by altering the heart rate and blood pressure. Thus, D matches with 2. Hence, the correct answer is option B.